Hi, this is Brett from SRmoto, and I wanted to do a quick video review of the AltRider high fender kit for the Yamaha Tenere 700. What we've got here is our 2021 Yamaha Tenere 700 project bike. Recently did a few things to it, and one of the latest installations was this high fender kit from AltRider. So I thought it'd be a good time to do a quick video review of that, talk about what you get with the kit and my thoughts on it, stuff like that. What I'll do is I'll put links in the video description down below to our website, to the project bike page on our website, where you can get more details on this specific project bike and also more details on the high fender kit. So once you're done watching the video, check the video description below for all of that info. So again, this is the AltRider high fender kit, specifically designed for the Yamaha Tenere 700. In this latest version of our project bike, we're kind of setting this bike up more as like a 50-50 street and dirt bike. So we're going to ride it a lot on the street, but plan to do some off-road riding possibly with it as well. So we wanted to sort of get rid of that stock front fender, which is more, in my opinion, of a street bike front fender. It's mounted really close to the tire. Probably not the best for off-road riding, or if you're, run into some muddy conditions and stuff like that. That fender is so close to the front tire that it can pack up with mud and dirt and rocks and stuff like that. So to me, on a bike like this, if you're going to ride it off-road, a high fender kit that's more like a typical, off-road or dual sport bike is the way to go. So we decided to go with this kit from AltRider, and I'll kind of talk about what you get with the kit. First of all, you're going to get the plastic front fender. You can get this in a couple different colors. I believe they come in like white, black, and red. So you'll get that, and then you'll also get the mounting kit that will actually mount it to the bike itself. I don't know if you can see in there, but you get that piece. It's a really nice complete kit, has decent instructions to install it. So that's how it's mounted to the bike itself. And then when you remove the stock front fender, they also give you these blanking plates, which mount to the front fork protectors where that stock front fender used to be mounted. So that's kind of nice. It sort of finishes it off nicely. And then last but not least, you do have to change the way the brake lines are mounted. So they give you a new braided stainless steel front brake line, which is really nice. We had a customer say that his came with a Galfer front brake line, but I noticed the one we got is from Goodridge. So at any rate, you're going to get a real nice, high quality, DOT approved braided front brake line, which actually helps with the front brake feel as well. Anytime you switch over to a braided stainless steel line from a rubber line, that's going to improve front brake feel. So that's kind of a side benefit of this kit. I did notice a difference at the lever, the front brake lever, with this braided stainless steel brake line. So that's kind of nice. So that's basically what you get with the kit. And I think it definitely looks the part, has a really nice sort of off-road look to it. And functionally, I think it's going to be ideal for off-road riding. Now that, there's plenty of clearance between the fender and the tire, so you don't have to worry about mud and dirt and rocks and stuff like that packing up in there. So I think it's going to be really good from that standpoint. So if you're planning on doing a lot of off-road riding with your Tenere 700 and looking for a high mount front fender kit, definitely check out this AltRider kit. I'll put links in the video description below, again, to our project bike page, where you can get more details on this bike as well as the high fender kit. So definitely check that out. If you have any questions, definitely leave us a comment down below. I try to check the comments on the YouTube channel periodically and reply, when I get time. We also have an email address on our website It's probably the easiest way to get a hold of us is via email. So shoot us an email, we'll get back to you. If you want to see more videos on the Tenere 700, definitely subscribe to our channel. Hoping to do some more videos when we get the chance. Also, if you found this video helpful, give us a like, we'd really appreciate it. Again, it is Brett from SRmoto and our Yamaha Tenere 700 project bike with the AltRider high fender kit. Thanks for watching.